next trick that's worth talking about is one called paddleball, which looks like this. Kind of a silly, ridiculous trick, but it's a lot of fun, and that's what fixed axle yo-yoing is pretty much about, right? So let's look at it. Basically, to do paddleball, which is obviously pretty aptly named, this was named by John Higby. Throw the yo-yo and break away, and as the yo-yo comes back to your hand, you're going to let it whack you in the hand, right? Just on your palm. But instead of just kind of thudding dully against your hand and then bouncing off the opposite direction, which could be kind of a cool trick by itself, you're going to kind of yield to it and allow it to keep going in the same direction where it was, right? So it's going to keep on going its merry way. As it comes back the other side, you're going to flip your hand over, right? And you're going to push it back out in the breakaway side. And you can just keep doing that all day. Once you get it down, you can even integrate different stalls with it, right? You can integrate trapeze stalls, you can integrate lunar landing stalls, and you can just kind of keep the momentum going for as long as you want to. So it's kind of a fun way to kind of make some connective tissue between stalls that you want to do. It's just fun to do on its own. Another fun thing you can try that makes it a little more challenging is to do straight string redirects on it, which is kind of a strange technical name, but really all it means is using a bit of straight string segment to let the yo-yo bounce off of it, right? So when the yo-yo comes around, right, instead of letting it hit your hand, right, like that, let it hit a section of string, right? And you can actually do the same trick just letting it hit the string instead of your hand. It's not really paddleball anymore. I'm not even sure we have a name for that, but it's pretty awesome, right? It's just bouncing off of the string instead of your hand. It takes a lot of accuracy. See right there, I messed it up. But it's definitely worth adding to your repertoire. So, in any case, the original paddleball is also a fun way to kill an entire afternoon just doing one silly trick. Paddleball, have fun.